We created this device for 5 specific reasons. Number 1, when you insert this into the grip module of your Gen 5 GLOCK, there is a perfect designed feed ramp that allows you to reduce your overall speed reload times, whether you're a concealed carry, competitive shooter, or your law enforcement. Speed is essential during your reloads. Number 2, it obviously fills the gap in the back strap of your GLOCK. It prevents material and debris from getting into your grip and getting down into your trigger mechanism. It's also backwards and forwards compatible with OEM back straps. Number 3, there's no additional printing or signature when you're concealed carrying this with this inside your GLOCK. It's USPSA approved for competitive shooting. So, the other things on the market that typically aid you in speed reload would be a magwell, for example. However, for concealed carry, it's wider than the frame and it prints more when you're concealed carrying. This adds no additional width or length to your frame. Number 4, it adds very little or no weight to your pistol in the polymer version. It's black, it's polymer, it has all the same features except it weighs virtually nothing, so you don't want added weight for concealed carry or law enforcement use. And last, number 5, our brass model adds up to 2.8 ounces in our larger models for competitive shooters to help reduce felt recoil while you're shooting a match.